goal for the day was to come in and take some cute pictures. I was all dressed up, watching Mickey's Royal Friendship Fair, and it started absolutely downpouring. I'm soaking wet, look like I just took a shower, so there goes all my cute photos. But good news is all the rides, the lines are really short, and I just went on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad and just walked on Splash Mountain. This is awesome. Having fun. Look at my cute old poncho.
Down in the lava places where I
So Grand Rapids looking for a little adventure, eh?
So I am currently at Magic Kingdom. It's been a pretty weird start to my day. Came here, I'm on my own today in the parks, and I wanted to watch Mickey's Royal Friendship Fair. We were standing in front of the castle watching it, and started sprinkling, and we were like, oh no, here it comes. Okay, and then it downpours, like hardest I've ever seen it rain before. It was nuts, and everyone like started running. All the characters like immediately went back inside the castle, and everyone's like just booking it for cover, and there's like nothing around, and so I'm just like getting drenched. I like came all like dressed up and cute, like I was gonna take some pictures. Not really, my hair's all matted and now I'm soaking wet, but it's been a pretty good day anyways. The lines are super short. There's a Halloween party tonight, so there's not a lot of people in the parks. I went straight on to Splash Mountain and then rode Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is closed right now, but I think I'm gonna try to hop on that when it opens. Yeah. So it's been a pretty rainy, gross day today, but that's fine because I was like, you know what? Like, we're just going with it at this point, and I was like, I'm already wet. Let's go on Splash Mountain. So it's not raining right now. Festival of Fantasy was postponed, but I think it's gonna start again soon. So I'm gonna head on over to the castle, maybe get myself a Mickey pretzel, and see if I can't watch Festival of Fantasy. So here we are in Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. Victoria's working here this morning, so we're gonna go say hi. Look at all these cute dresses. Oh my goodness. These could totally fit me. I want to come to the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique too. Oh my gosh. So cute. Please. There she is. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I went and saw Victoria at work and she was so cute, but now I'm missing Festival of Fantasy, so we gotta go. small world, and we're just gonna go and check it out. There's a short line right now, and why not? It's boring. Let's do it. I'm walking the wrong way. Here we go. It's a small world after all. I am living for all these walk-on rides. At the Magic Kingdom, but I think I'm gonna go meet up with another one of my roommates and maybe go see some other people at work at Epcot.